Hi, my name is Bogdan and welcome to my kitchen. In case you don't know what I'm doing right here, if you're questioning what am I doing, probably it's not the right channel. You should switch it off and don't follow us. But why don't you come with me and let's cook a little pasta with avocado and with the flair of Greek and Italian. We're gonna need a little olive oil, avocado, lemon, some feta, and I have right here my pasta, and I'm gonna let it boil to an al dente. And like I said, if you do not know what al dente means, maybe you should let me come and cook for you. Anyway, let me cut this really fast, and then I'll see you in a few seconds. Let's let this boil. Maybe almost a minute. Done. Alright, all you need is a little olive oil. Put your garlic in a pot. Just about 2-3 seconds. When you feel the smell, cut it down because you already know garlic has a very short time to be cooked. Let's saute this a little. Let's get the pasta out. You don't need to see me doing this, but of course I'm going to improvise because I am a person who likes to improvise. So we don't use a strainer. This is how we do it. Capiche? Beautiful. Okay. Done. Okay, so we are almost done. Okay, we're going to take the avocado part. We're going to cut it really nice and fine. And of course, if you don't know what I'm doing here, maybe let me come and cook for you. Anyway, cook it up. Little olive oil. Let's give it a stir, and I'll see you in the plate. Right, this is how it looks. Why don't you come and eat with me? I can assure you this tastes divine. Whether you're Greek or Italian like me, or Romanian descended, buon appetito.